friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make snow pudding. Very delicious and easy recipe with very less cooking time. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan and add 250 ml of milk. This is boiled milk. To this add 3 tablespoons of sugar and 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Mix it well and make sure no lumps are formed. Keep the flame on low and mix continuously for 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes and the milk is nice and thick now. When you achieve this dripping consistency, off the flame. I've taken 2 katoris today. Grease them well with ghee. Transfer the milk mixture to the katoris. Tap it twice or thrice to release the air bubbles. Let this rest for 10 minutes and then refrigerate for 4 hours to get nice and chilled pudding. It's been 4 hours and a pudding is out of the refrigerator. Loosen the edges a little and the pudding will come out very easily. Look how smooth and soft our pudding is. Snow down some desiccated coconut. I've already made a video on how to make desiccated coconut. You can find the link in the description box. Finally, decorate with a candied cherry. Now our delicious and beautiful snow pudding is ready. You can enjoy the snow pudding right away with your family and friends. Very delicious, soft and sweet dessert. So do try the snow pudding recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.